ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Good morning, guys. We're so early because I have dance in the morning before school. And guys, look how foggy it is. It's so foggy outside. Like, bye.
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in when it's over.
Dito na pala kami, guys. Good morning. Dito na kami sa kanyang dance class. Aga pa. Meron ka pa babang ano? Oh. Ang aga namin, 8 o'clock yung kanyang class. Dito sa dance, 7:39 pa lang. Good afternoon. Oh, diba dito ulit tayo sa car. Time is 3:11. Dito na ako sa parking kung saan ko hinihintay si Holly kasi pipick upin ulit natin. Kanina, drinap up ko siya ng maaga sa kanyang dance lesson. 8 yung dance niya nag-start ng 8 to 8:45. Then after, drinap up ko siya sa school. Pag uwi ko, syempre naglinis, nagtupi. Ang dami kong tinupi na naman. Nagtupi ako, then nag-edit ako, and finally may vlog ako ngayon. Na-upload ko na siya. Then, mamaya may isasampay ako kasi naglaba. Si Jan, wala pala siya sa bahay kasi kaninang madaling araw, alas 3 siya ng umaga umalis. Pumunta ng Adelaide kasi meron siyang check-up sa kanyang tenga. Kaninang alas 9. Then, bukas, meron siyang another appointment para sa kanyang, yung naalala nyo, may sinasabi ko sa inyo na laging sumasakit to ni Jan. Hindi siya sa likod, guys. Nasa may, ano siya, nasa parte ng puwetan. Paano ko ba explain? So, ito yung butt natin, di ba? So, dito sa middle, ito yung cheeks. Paano? Dito siya sa side. Dito siya malapit doon sa parang coins. Dito siya malapit. So, pag dinidiinan ko siya, masakit yon sa kanya. Tapos, sabi ng may cryo kasi siya dito. Tapos, aside sa cryo, mayroon siyang pinupunta na especially sa muscles na minamassage, and then how many session na siya doon sa specialist. Sinabihan na siya na ipa-check ulit doon sa kung saan dati nagpa-check si Jan sa knees. Kung maalala nyo, years ago meron si Jan na crunches. So doon siya pupunta para i-check naman yun. Tapos kanina on the way dito, tinawagan niya ako kasi na-board na siya. Nasa hotel siya ngayon eh. So naka-check-in siya, sabi niya, wala pa raw alas 3, board na siya. Sabi ko, maglibot-libot ka dyan. Sabi niya, tingnan niya daw. Tapos mainit daw sa Adelaide. Sabi ko, dito mainit naman pero malamig yung hangin. Kaya, ayan. Favorite ko tong eto sutin. Meron ako ibang mga ganitong long sleeve. Pero etong strip, sobrang niya, ewan ko. Lagi siyang nakukuha ko sa lalagyan. And mamaya, after ng dance lesson ni Holly, meron siyang netball. Then yung boys, meron din silang training ng footy. So, ihintayin ko yung mga boys kasi usually si Jan sa kanila, 'di ba? So wala ang daddy nila, ako ang maghihintay sa kanila sa footy. Mauna si Oling matapos ng training, then punta kami sa footy para hintayin yung boys. So yan yung aking ganap today, guys. Parang nakatira na ako dito sa sa sasakyan. Kasi halos everyday nasa car ako. Pansin nyo. Lagi tayong nasa car. Mainit yung sikat ng araw. Basa pa yung buko. Gusto ko na sana siyang itali. Anong oras na? Wala pang baby girl natin. 3:15 na. And dala ko ulit yung aking laptop. Kasi habang hinihintay ko yung mga bata sa kanilang training, i-edit tayo. For sure, hindi natin matatapos kasi ang vlog ko laging mahaba. So, at least may masisimulan ako. So, dinala ko to para hindi sayang yung oras. Then, mamaya, ang aming kakainin is, pag-isipan ko pa, meron ako dun na chicken. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ko dun sa chicken. So, yun. And yung aking, juicer, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. And nilipat ko siya, ipakita ko sa inyo, nilipat ko siya, 'di ba? Nilagay natin siya dun sa katabi ng air fryer, nilipat ko siya somewhere. Mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo. Ito lang baby girl ko. And ito yung kanyang pang-training mamaya. And yung dance bag niya nandoon, so ilalagay ko lang to doon sa kanyang bag kasi nilabang ko to. Tinutupi. Ito yung kasama to sa mga tinupi ko. Then, hindi ko na siya tinupi kasi dadalhin ko naman dito sa kanya. And, yung pera doon sa mayroong wallet doon. Di ba kanina, kasi dito sa dance lesson na solo ni Holly, cash lagi. So, wala akong cash. So, kung kaninong wallet yung kinuhaan ko nito, huwag kayong mag-alala, mga anak, babayaran ko, ibabalik ko to mamaya. Magka-cash out ako mamaya. Kasi may utang ako kay Holly na 50. Then, may utang ako, isa sa boys kasi dalawang wallet na nandun. Hindi ko alam kung kanino, mayroong tigwa 100. Ang dami nilang pera, mayroong mga greens, mayroong dalawang greens at saka may dalawang ganito sa isang wallet. Tapos yung isang wallet naman mayroong dalawang greens. So, sila mapera. Ito yung sukli kanina sa dance class ni Holly. Dito na siya. Hi. Okay. Put your seatbelt. You like my hair?
Yeah.
It's still wet. Here's your for later.
Yeah.
For your training. Okay. Ibabalik na kita doon sa dance lesson mo ulit. Same, kung ano yung ginawa niya kaninang dance, yung pa rin yung kanyang gagawin. So, sabi ng teacher, tapos na nila yung steps. Nabuo na nila yung yung dance. So more na lang sila cleaning up. Yung parang yung master niya na yung kanyang dance. Yung dance na ginagawa niya, kung maalala nyo, 'di ba meron silang fashion parade? Yun yung ginagawa ni Holly. Hindi pa yun tapos, ngayon lang nila natapos yung steps. So nabuo na nila yung kanta, yung sayaw. So ngayon, lesson ulit doon sa kanyang dance na yon. For more cleaning up. So every Tuesday talaga regular yung kanyang solo jazz dance. Tapos yung kanina extra lang yun. Tapos baka humingi ulit siya ng extra lesson. So depende sa teacher.
Caution.
So kaya si Holly kailangan niyang i-practice sa bahay ang kanyang mga solo dance. Right, baby? You have to practice. Practice, 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 right? And then your hip hop too. Alright? What did you do today?
We did spelling,
Math and
writing, PE,
yeah. What did you do for PE, Baba?
golf.
Golf. Wow.
We did reading on laptops, but it didn't work, so we skipped it, and then we did religion.
Religion. It's nice weather, Baba.
Yeah.
Have you seen the boys? Only Zach.
Yeah.
Si Zach kasi, tsaka si Holly pareho yung building nila. Si Kuya iba na ang building niya, medyo malayo. And then si Kuya hindi pwede dun sa building nila. And same sa kanila, hindi sila pwede dun sa building ng ni TJ. Sa mga high school. Okay, concentrate tayo dito kasi may roundabout. Roundabout. Okay, dito na kami. You have to change na.
Oh, can I just wear this?
Ay, you just... why don't you wear this one? So you're ready for later? Okay, go that way.
I'm just gonna just wear that. I can just wear that.
Ayaw niya na magbihis.
Can't be bothered.
Pagod na siya. But you have to wear your
Just.
jazz shoes. Okay. So what time is it now? So you have 2 minutes. And you're going. Okay?
Yeah, but sometimes because I don't think Mackenzie's here. Sometimes if Mackenzie's not here, I go straight in.
Okay, let's go then. Put your seatbelt, please. And I heard you got the jazz costume?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh. Ito yung costume niya for jazz. For jazz. Ooh. Wow.
It's a bra.
It's a bra. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh,
Oh,
if you go on
nice.
Facebook, she took a photo of me today wearing that and she posted it on Facebook.
Okay. Oh, sexy naman
Yeah,
ito.
go, say it.
Ang cute naman ang kanilang outfit. Costume. Ayan, oh. Oh. Cute. Ayan. Ganyan yung itsura niya pag
Mom, where's
nasot
your phone?
nila. Why?
Yeah,
Later, no, we have to go. We have to go, Baba. We have to go. Let's go. You're already late for your netball training. Okay.
Got sour, yummy
Another location. Oh. Let's go. Just gonna go that way. So we're just gonna go straight. Oops. Panayin muna natin siya. May hirap lang dito yung parking kaya makita yung daanan kasi nagdo-double park. Both side merong cars. So pag may incoming kailangan mong huminto para mag-giveaway sa kanila. And vice versa. Sparrow! Oh, my laptop! Sparrow, Baba?
Yeah.
Okay, can I go? Okay, we're good to go. Nahulog yung laptop ko doon.
Need to fill up my drink bottle. It still has a little in there.
Dito na kami kung saan siya puti, netball training.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep
Lagyan lang
going. Stop.
natin ito ng tubig.
Okay,
Okay.
bye, Mom. Right there.
You're not gonna change?
No, I'm staying on this.
Alright, ayaw mag-change. Okay, habang hinihintay ko sila, mag-edit ako para meron tayong nasimulan. Well, sinimulan ko na kanina. Pero ayun yung aking laptop, nahulog siya. Sana okay lang ito. Okay. Edit muna tayo. Ay, nasanay kasi ako dun sa car ni Jan. Pag inuurong ko yung upuan ni Jan sa car niya, dito sa may left legs ko. Ito naman dito sa my right hand ko ang adjustan ng kanyang upuan. Okay, edit muna tayo guys. Para may vlog ulit tayo bukas. Hopefully. Let's go. Dito na siya.
Hello.
Now, we're going to Puri. Dito lang naman sa likod. Ang dilim na. Medyo madilim na. Hindi pa naman ganun kadilim. Pero yung oras
What's for dinner?
is chicken sandwich.
Yummy.
Ano pa lang, 5:34. Hindi nyo na makikita si Holly. Doon ako sa boys. Do you still have lollies? Humingi siya ng humingi siya sa akin ng $1. Usually every Monday lang. Pero ang dami niyang ganap today. So binigyan ko siya ng $1 para makabili siya ng lollies. Deserve niya kasi ang aga namin kaninang umaga para sa kanyang dance. Tapos hapon ulit. And then training sa gabi. Kailangan niya yung energy, sugar. Let's go see the boys. It's so dark. How they can see the ball? Usually they put the lights. See, you cannot even see. Where are we gonna park? Let's park this one. Dito yung basement. Andun sila.
Somewhere there.
Ilaw ko yan. Alright, hintayin lang natin sila.
Oh, did you see me?
Na? Wait, Baba.
Forget. There's only one left. Where?
Where's Kuya?
Here, where is it?
Let me see.
Go over there, because it said made over there. Oh, so you got one for me. Here,
Give
go on.
some for Kuya.
There's only one left. Yeah, give me
Yeah.
the one,
Please.
please.
Alright, let's go. Where's TJ?
He said made over there.
Where? Where I'm gonna meet him? Why? You go this way.
Hey,
TJ?
where is he?
I don't know. Can you ring him?
Don't have my phone.
Oh.
I'll go grab him.
How you gonna grab him? Where?
Chandra.
Here.
See?
Hurry up, Kuya. Because there's cars at the back. Where's your bag?
He's got it.
Oh my god.
What do you mean? Oh my god, Bonnie. What? Go on.
Okay. I know. Oh, you went to the changing room?
I can't, there's none.
No,
Kinuha nila yung bag.
I can't.
Can you please just put it here, TJ? As
Which one's
Holly.
my bag? Which one's mine?
That one you're holding.
What's for tea, Mum, because I'm that hungry.
You're hungry?
This is the bowl we got from Sapsalza.
Last year?
Yeah. And some TJ's friend kicked it on the road. And now we got it back.
After how
Oh,
many?
what's the tea?
We're just having chicken sandwich.
Oh, chicken.
Can we have fish?
Fish? It's too late now, Kuya. I cannot cook now. What's that? There's doors open.
TJ's probably.
No, it's seatbelt, Zach.
Zachary.
I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
Look at me.
Yes.
Yeah, look, there's a bag behind me.
Well, can you put it down, please? You have to have a seatbelt, Zachary, if you want to sit at the front.
I if there's that many stuff, Mum. See, there's one blocking the seatbelt.
There's what's that noise,
No,
Zachary?
it's not the me. It's the stuff.
Next time you're not sitting at the front, only TJ's gonna sit there. How's the training? Good? Hot? Dark. I know. Where's the light? No, that's not good now. Put that in the bin. Gusto niya sana mag-wrap. Go have a shower.
today, so I'm having one. Thank you, Pony.
Alright, have
Mom,
a shower.
oh, no.
What? Okay, you don't want chicken.
No. I'll have this. And this.
What? That one, okay.
Still good?
Yeah, I just got that one. Huh?
Oh, no.
What?
Here, open up.
Can you have a shower
Mom,
first, please?
get me lettuce, carrot, and that.
Si Sak gusto niya ng salad.
Where's the toaster?
Yes, but that's not healthy. Here.
Can I have a wrap with chicken then?
Wrap, okay.
With chicken. Mommy, you know where you put
Wanna toast this?
Put the big ones in. That's the bigger ones, please.
Oh, magtutoast si Kuya tsaka tuna. How many?
Just put 2 in for now.
2 or 3?
Are they the big bits?
No, that's the big one, Kuya.
Really?
Can you just... I told you to have a shower
Yeah,
first.
plug it in so then when
No, because it's gonna be cold. Alright, gawa ko sila ng dinner.
Mommy, you know where you put my
Isa gusto niya yan. Chicken.
I'm gonna do what you like. Mayonnaise.
I don't like you to use that one. I want you to use the glass one. Not the plastic.
Mayonnaise, mustard, and the thing.
Alright.
And hot sugar, please. And extra mustard as well, please. This one. This one.
Yes.
When's this expire?
Okay, si Sak gusto niyang salad. Wrap and salad.
But extra mustard, please.
Okay. Si Kuya mahilig siya sa mustard.
He loves it.
Mm. And you're gonna have a shower after the boys too, ha? Ano ko lang to.
Kuya TJ! Kuya TJ!
Ibigay ko lang tong chicken na to. What?
Yeah?
Call me next,
Please.
please. Oh, that chicken smells.
So what do you want, Holly? What's your order? Chicken wrap as well?
Yeah, chicken, cheese, no mayonnaise.
Why?
Cucumber,
Yes, you need
carrot.
mayo. Ito. Marami na rin na ayaw.
Why, do you have aioli?
Yes, I do. I still have aioli.
That kind.
Yes.
No, I love that sauce. It's my
Oh,
favorite
the aioli
sauce.
one.
Yeah. You want to try? No,
Hindi ko,
best. Yeah.
hindi ko inaano yung skin. Sak, how many wrap?
Huh?
How many?
How many wraps do you want there?
2?
Yep.
I just want
Oh, I have this. Fresh. Lagyan ko siya nito
Wow.
yung cream fresh.
No
Wala?
mayo, he said.
No mayo? I have aioli.
What sauce?
That's,
Yes,
you can have mayo,
Sweet
Zachary.
chili will it have? Do you have sour?
No sour cream.
No sour cream. What do you have?
I have
Aioli.
mayo, cream fresh.
aioli.
But do you think he'll have sweet chili?
Yeah, if you
Sweet
want
chili
it.
sauce? Sweet chili
Oh no, I don't have aioli, no, Baba. Wala. Yeah, I still have.
Aioli?
I need to buy more.
Aioli.
Okay. And sweet chili sauce?
No, I don't want any. He said it won't taste good.
Alright. So just aioli, cheese, and
Cucumber and carrots.
cucumber. But you want salad too.
Mom, what's your favorite vegetable?
Everything.
Mine's cucumber, carrots. That's all.
Can you give me a big bowl, please? The white one, Holly. Thank you.
Do you need plate?
Yes, small
One
plate.
more?
Small plate, please.
Do you need one more?
Yeah. Kailangan kong gawin yung salad na hindi niya makita yung sauce kasi naglalagay ako ng fish sauce.
Is
Ayaw
that
na ayaw
aioli
niya yan.
sauce?
Yes, I did.
I want to know aioli sauce.
Ito, inugasan ko lang itong lettuce nito. Okay. Allowing.
More. Mommy. Extra aioli sauce. Better. And some cheese.
Did you wash your hands?
Oh, no.
Okay. Next, kuya. Ito yung kay kuya. Chunky style tuna in spring water. Spring water ngayon. Hindi, yung malaki lang yung meron sila yung brine and olive oil.
On me, did you make it now?
Yes.
My teacher said.
Wait for your
toast
salad.
in there.
I haven't done your
Can
salad.
I at least have one wrap? Because I'm having two. Oh, I
Yes.
said I'm having two wraps.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me have one wrap then.
Thanks, Mum.
Thanks, Bob. I already said thank you.
Good.
Good?
Good one.
You're welcome.
You're really good.
Salt and pepper. Cajun mustard.
Hey,
It's
what's
yummy.
extra?
I know. Salt and
Make them.
3 toast.
Did you add a little bit of sugar?
Yeah, this one. Lagyan ko na. Ito yung sugar niya. Stevia.
Is that how you make it?
Hmm?
Is that how you make it?
This is ready, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Salad sa?
Where's my plate?
That's good. Oh, you want plate?
No.
Holly, can you get me plate, please, for Kuya? Hey, Kuya. Give that one to teacher. Okay, salad first.
That's blood.
Huh?
That's blood.
What blood?
Yeah. You just put it in.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Oy, nandito siya. Paano ko yun malalagay na? Sinabi ko sa inyo.
Oh my god, I have a second wrap.
Second now? Okay.
I want the second wrap.
I didn't want to eat it.
Half?
No, you want to eat it all. You haven't even finished that, you don't know.
That's ready.
Is it burning? I meant... Have you ordered the American plug?
American flag?
No, the hot. No, there is already a plug. Where? Oh, there's already a plug. Can you make me a smoothie?
Not today, Baba. No, I cannot make smoothie for that one.
Why?
That's only juice.
I want juice. Can you make a smoothie then?
No, my
It's
little
sorbet.
boy. Yeah, sorbet, yeah.
What sorbet?
Anything, any fruits.
Mango sorbet, yes.
But we don't have mango.
lettuce in it? No.
You have to put the...
Big boy, it's not even forever. What are you using all that?
Well,
Lettuce.
no.
Just in our stuff. I'll get the, what's it called?
I'll do it. Well, hindi ko malalagay.
Do you use calamansi?
Yeah, not yet. Not yet. I'll do it. Just sit down there.
Why?
I'll call you.
Trying to help you.
Yeah, thank you. Wala ko mailalagay yun.
What do you put in it?
Huh?
Lemon.
Lime. I'll call you na lang. I'm just gonna clean up here. Ano na lang ako. Pupunta ko muna siya sa kwarto niya. I'll call you. Okay? Lime. Lime. Ayun, upo na siya. Tapos malalagay ko na. Soya sauce. Ano? Dito pag...
It doesn't even taste that bad.
I know, it's not.
Is it?
It's good. Because it's veggies. It's not the... If you read the...
Like obviously.
Naamoy niya talaga.
No, it doesn't even smell good.
Yeah, because this is different. It's alternative. Inamoy ko yun. Kasi yung ating patis, di ba, maamoy talaga yan. Right?
Yeah.
I put a lot of lime sa sarap nito. Simpleng dressing lang siya.
All I can smell is that.
Hmm?
All I can smell is that.
The lime.
I never tasted it. What even is it?
And then feta cheese. Okay.
What is that?
Masarap to kung may boiled egg. Ayan na. Yan yung salad na Zaki po.
You funny.
Okay. You don't have to finish it if you can. Take some for me if you want. Good?
That's that.
Yeah. That's how you already tried it before. Good, Zach?
Mhm.
Okay.
That looks good.
Magsinas muna ako dito.
Ow.
Wow. Wobbly tape. Yeah.
See, how come hers comes so early but mine's still there?
It's so good.
It won't come out
Apple.
because it overlaps.
You want more bread, yeah? Or are you good? I just put it in.
Yeah,
Like
sure.
this.
Uh-huh.
You want more, Holly? Are you alright? Do you want me to make you more? Okay. Drink water now, please.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Yeah. Let Kuya,
Later.
let Kuya try.
After.
Here, Kuya.
No. Here. Can I have tuna breath later?
Huh?
Tuna breath?
Arte nito. Ayaw niya kasi kumain ng isda si Kuya, yung tuna.
I turned limey.
So like, that's what he wants. Gusto niya maasim. Si Sak mahilig sa maasim eh. Where's mine? But tastes alright, right?
I can't always have it lime.
The lime, yeah. Saki wants lime. Next time I can make it too if you want. Well, you didn't tell me you wanted.
Well,
That one.
After the
I'll have this.
Are we gonna have lunch order tomorrow? Dad is not here.
You can just tell him.
Just ring,
Yeah.
Daddy. Si Daddy kasi nag-order ng
Yeah,
kanilang
and I
lunch
think
order.
he'll be asleep at this time.
Yeah, Daddy's tired. They wake up 3 o'clock in the morning.
In a 5-hour drive. How about the plane at LAX?
I'm done. You done? Drink water, please. More bread for Serena.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
I'll get him a laptop.
Huh?
I'll get him a laptop.
How about you, Holly? Where's your lunch?
Oh yeah, I've seen this.
Did you like it?
It's alright. I ate it though. What were you like?
Where's your lunch box, Holly?
Hot tea, what were you
Not in my head like this. Moving like
What? Can you have this within its toast?
Huh?
Oh, isn't that bread,
Stone bread.
oh, I thought it was,
Good with butter, sir.
I agree.
Okay, have a shower now, Holly. Let's close. I-end ko na yung vlog, guys. Yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Good night, Kuya. Oh.
What?
Night, Zaki, Holly.
Good night.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.